Français, FLC, French, présente. French, grammaire, made easy. Une capsule de 1 à 5 minutes. Aujourd'hui, le verbe, the verb. Verbe à l'infinitif, groupe de verbes, verbe conjugué, verbe simple et verbe composé. Qu'est-ce que cela veut dire? What does it mean? Le verbe est à l'infinitif lorsqu'il n'est pas conjugué. This means that your verb in the infinitive will not be conjugated. So, manger will be like to eat, finir, to finish, apprendre, to learn, etc. Group de verbes. You have in French 3 kinds of verbs. The first group are verbs finishing by er, and they are very, very nice verbs because they are regular. It means they don't change each time you change the subject of the person. Deuxième groupe, these are also verbs regular, but they're finishing by er, like finir. There's another group of er verb, and they are part of the third group. So to make a difference between finir and dormir, for instance, to sleep, if the past participe présent, which is the gerund of the verb, finish by issant, like finissant, you can be sure it's a verb of the second group. If dormir because dormir doesn't finish by issant in the gerund, it finishes by dormant, it cannot be a verb of the second group, and then it's not a regular verb. So you see, you are third group, and you have verb like dormir, sortir, ouvrir. You also have verb in OER, like pouvoir, savoir, avoir. Verbe en RE, entendre, mettre, prendre. So those verbs are irregular, means they're going to change every time. More or less, you change the subject. Especially with avoir, j'ai, tu as, il a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont. Be careful, aller is an exception in the third group, even though it finishes by er, it's very regular. Je vais, tu vas, il va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont. Then you have verb conjugé. Yes, it's another term you're going to learn. Verb conjugé, conjugated verb, means these are the verbs that are not in the infinitive form. They have been conjugated. D'accord? Je vais, I go. Je prends, I take. J'ai pris, I have taken. Now, what is a simple verb and what is a verb composé? Simple verb is a verb which is just the subject and the conjugated verb. The verb composé has an auxiliary like avoir or être. Nous sommes auxiliary. The auxiliary is the verb. It's the main verb. But it is composed because it also has something else, a second part, which is called the past participle, le participe passé. Here we have pris, j'ai pris, which is the past participle of the verb prendre, to take. And for the second one, we have aller, which is the past participle of the verb aller, to go. Au revoir.